Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 dashboard display. Begin by placing the car in park and turning the ignition to accessory or start. Locate the MMI knob or steering wheel controls and use short presses to open the settings menu. Navigate to the display or driver information section, then select layout, brightness, or units. Confirm each change and test while stationary to ensure clarity and comfort. In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 dashboard display. Start by pressing the menu button on the steering wheel to reveal driver display options, then use the arrows to navigate. Choose the display settings or instrument cluster layout and use the MMI knob to adjust brightness, contrast, and information fields. Confirm your selection and exit the menu. Then verify the display shows the preferred widgets and information. In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 dashboard display. Open the information settings and pick the exact data fields you want, like trip, range, or fuel economy, and arrange them logically. Tweak brightness and contrast to match daylight or night driving preferences, and save any user profile if available so you can switch back instantly. Double-check each change at a stop to ensure readability and comfort for longer drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.